Anti-tumor drugs. Definition. The drugs which are used to treat cancer are known as anti-tumor drugs. Classification. Alkylating agents, cyclophosphamide, disulfan. Antimetabolite, mercaptopurine, fluorouracil, methotrexate. Antibiotics, dactinomycin, doxorubicin. Plant products, vinblastine, vincrestine. Others, cisplatin. Cyclophosphamide. Cyclophosphamide. Formulations. एक cyclophosphamide tablet IP. 2 cyclophosphamide injection IP. Brand _ names, cycloxan, endoxanasta, ledoxan. Pharmacological _ action, it is inactive as such, produces few acute effects and is not locally damaging. Transformation into active metabolites, aldophosphamide, phosphoramide mustard, occurs in the liver and a wide range of anti-tumor action is exerted. It has prominent immunosuppressant property. Thus, it is one of the most popular alkylating agents useful in many solid tumors. It is less damaging to platelets, but alopecia and cystitis, due to another metabolite acrolein, are prominent. Dose 2 से 3 mg/kg day oral, 10-15 mg/kg IV every 7 से 10 days, IM use also possible. Therapeutic _ uses, used as an anti-cancer drug. Busulfan. Busulfan. Formulations, busulfan tablet BP, IP. Brand _ names, Mylrun, Bisulfan 2 mg tab. Pharmacological _ action, this alkylating agent is highly specific for myeloid elements, granulocyte precursors being the most sensitive, followed by those of platelets and RBC. Side _ effects, it produces little effect on lymphoid tissue and GIT. Hyperuricemia is common, pulmonary fibrosis and skin pigmentation are the specific adverse effects of it. Sterility also occurs. It is now the second choice drug to imatinib for chronic phase of myelocytic leukemia. Dose 2-6 mg day, 0.06 mg/kg day orally. Therapeutic _ uses, used as anti-cancer drug. Fluorouracil. Fluorouracil. Formulations, fluorouracil injection IP. Brand _ names, Fluoracil, Fivosil, Oncpercil, Flosil, Florac, Fivoflu.